Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Christine Joy P. Malong, also 22A12, Criminal Law, Book 1. Under the RPC, there are 5 circumstances affecting the criminal liability of an individual. They are justifying, Article 11, exempting, Article 12, mitigating, Article 13, aggravating, Article 14, and alternative circumstances, Article 15. Justifying circumstances. A person who acts under any justifying circumstances enumerated under the RPC does not commit a crime under the law. The following are justifying circumstances. Number 1, self-defense. Number 2, defense of relatives. Number 3, defense of stranger. Number 4, avoidance of greater evil or injury. Number 5, fulfillment of duty or lawful exercise of right or office. Number 6, obedience to an order issued for some lawful purpose. Exempting circumstances, Article 12. Enumerates persons who are exempted from criminal liability, unlike in justifying circumstances. Here there was a crime committed, there is a criminal, but for a reason of public policy, no penal liability shall be inflicted on him. The following are exempting circumstances. Number 1, imbecility or insanity, unless acting during a lucid interval. Number 2, minor under 9 years old. Number 2, minor under 9 years of age. Number 3, minor over 9 and under 15 years. Number 4, accident. Number 5, irresistible force. Number 6, uncontrollable fear. Number 7, prevented by insuperable cause. An imbecile is a person marked by mental deficiency, while an insane is one who has a sound mind or suffers from a mental disorder. A child below 9 years old is absolutely free from criminal liability, but the parent or guardian of said child may be held civilly liable. Under Section 6 of RA number 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, a child 15 years of age or under at the time of the commission of the offense is exempt from criminal liability. However, the child shall be subjected to an intervention program. If a child is above 15 years but below 18 years of age, he or she is likewise exempt from criminal liability and shall be subjected to an intervention program unless he or she has acted with discernment. Mitigating circumstances, Article 13. Mitigating circumstances are those which do not entirely free the actor from penal responsibility but serve only to lessen or reduce the impossible penalty. There are 2 classes of mitigating circumstances. Number 1, ordinary mitigating, which can be offset by aggravating circumstances and which is present tense to reduce by the penalty by periods. Privilege mitigating, which cannot be offset by any aggravating circumstances and which if present tends to reduce the penalty degrees. The following are mitigating circumstances. Number 1, incomplete justifying or exempting circumstances. Number 2, under 18 or over 70 years old. Number 3, no intention to commit so grave a wrong. Number 4, provocation or threat. Number 5, vindication of grave offense. Number 6, passion or obfuscation. Number 7, surrender and confession of guilt. Number 8, physical defects. Number 9, Illness of the offender. Number 10, similar and analogous circumstances. Aggravating circumstances, Article 14. These circumstances, if present in the commission of the crime, serve to increase the penalty impossible, without however exceeding the maximum period prescribed for the offense. The aggravating circumstances under Article 14 are as follows. Number 1. Advantage taken of public position. Number 3. Contempt, contempt or insult to public authorities. Number 3. Disregard of rank, age or sex or dwelling of offended party. Number 4. Abuse of confidence and abuse ungratefulness. Number 5. Palace and places of commission of offense. Number 6. Nighttime, uninhabited place or bond. Number 7. On occasion of calamity or misfortune. Number 8. Aid of armed men. Number 9. Recidivism. Number 10. Reiteration or habituality. Number 11. Price, reward, or promise. Number 12. By means of inundation, fire. Number 13. Evident premeditation. Number 14. Craft, fraud, or disguise. Number 15. Superior strength or means to weaken the defense. Number 16. Treachery. Number 17. Ignominy. Number 18. Unlawful entry. Number 19. Breaking wall. Number 20. Aid of minor or by means of motor vehicles. Number 21. Cruelty. Alternative circumstances, Article 15. They are those circumstances which must be taken into consideration as aggravating circumstances or mitigating circumstances to the nature and effects of the crime and the other condition attending its commission. The RPC enumerates them as a relationship of the offender and the offended party, intoxication and degree of instruction, and deduction of the offender. Thank you, ma'am.